Today's video, we're at Caroline Bay in Timaru, the South Canterbury Motorcycle Club Beach Racing Day. They only do it once a year. Let's check it out. So mid-March at Caroline Bay. This is right downtown Timaru, very famous, well-known beach and park. And mid-March we always have the Timaru Rock and Hop Classic Car Meeting. The last 3 years we've also included beach racing, and very exciting, very successful. Now you'd think carving a motocross track into a public beach would take days of planning and preparation. Well, no actually. With full approval from the council, the South Canterbury Motorcycle Club rolled in with a massive loader, and they worked through the night to sculpt the jumps and berms, and of course a very nice twisting sand circuit, all safely above the high tide mark so it didn't wash away before the racing started. Come race day, the final track layout near the sea was marked out in the morning, and by the time the engines fired up, everything was set for a full day of frickin' action. What was really awesome to see in this event was all the young people. We had a mini class, proving of course that age and size doesn't matter when you've got guts and you're keen to get going and you love motorbikes. We had a female racers class, which was really good to see. So lots of female riders coming through, really great. A junior class, open classes, so there were some great battles in all of these classes actually. And you know, it wasn't some sort of backyard frickin' track racing with your mates. This was fast, frickin' there's some really good riders, full throttle racing, and it was interesting for some of the guys coming off the sand jumps. They were starting to get pretty badly rutted up, but all fun, and of course beautiful with the ocean behind as a backdrop. This was on the Saturday of the Rock Hop, so there was a lot of crowd there, and of course they filtered over to watch the motorbike racing. So people that were in town for watch the classic cars, they just wandered over to the beach and found themselves completely hooked on watching the motorbike racing right there on Caroline Bay. So you imagine that coming out of the car show and then getting to watch the motorbikes ripping it up. So yeah, it was very cool. One of those sort of only New Zealand moments really that made the whole day even better. Now you might say, well, it's not really the typical beach race. That's true, technically not a beach race in the classic sense, okay? It's not a half a mile up and then just turn around half a mile back. But what we did get was a proper racing event in a stunning location right in the middle of the city. You know, you don't get that every day. Best part, of course, the location was carefully chosen, and that was of course to avoid any risk to the little local residents, the old penguins that live at the south end of the beach. So I can safely say and hold my hand to my heart and say no penguins were harmed in the making of this awesome event. So this was the third year the event's been run, and of course if the turnout and atmosphere was anything to go by, it's only going to get bigger in the future. Events like this bring motorsport, especially motorcycle sport, out into the public eye instead of out the back of a farm somewhere. So I think Timaru Council, thank you very much. That was awesome that you gave this the thumbs up, and of course to the Motorcycle Club, South Canterbury Motorcycle Club, awesome work. So fingers crossed for year 4, and yeah, very good. I enjoyed the day a lot. Until next time, ride safe, keep her upright. I'll see you on the road sometime, and yeah, watch out for penguins.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on the Facebook.